colors, we're diving into the loudness block. So what's the loudness block all about? Well, it's a super cool sensing block in Scratch that lets us detect how loud a sound is using your microphone. Let's see this in action. We'll use a forever loop and set the Y position of our sprite to the loudness value. That means when I speak softly, the sprite stays low, and when I get louder, the sprite jumps higher. Hello, hello. See how the sprite moves up when I speak louder and down when I'm quiet? Let's try a fun example. Imagine you want your character to change costumes when you get loud. We'll use the when loudness greater than 50 block for this, then add the forever block to keep checking the loudness. Inside that, we'll use if loudness greater than 50 and tell our sprite to next costume whenever we're louder than 50. Now let's make it even better by adding some sound. We can include a play sound block along with the costume change, and that's it.